In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GLM 4.6 in VS Code. Now, the first thing you're going to need is the API from Z.AI. Now, the first thing you have to do is you want to go to Z.AI/chat, and then on here you want to go to API, and then here you want to scroll down to find the GLM 4.6. You want to click on it, and it's going to pop up in a separate tab. Here you can see all the overview, stuff like that, and you want to click on API keys, top right. And then in here, you'll be able to just generate a new API key. So this is going to start loading for a few seconds. And then here I have one already. As you can see, I'm just going to click on copy. But if you don't have one yet, click on generate or create a new API key, give it a name, press confirm, and a new one is going to be created. Now, of course, when you do this, make sure you do know that this is actually not free. So you're going to have your billing set up, and you're going to have some balance if you actually want to use the API keys. So just bear that in mind. And when you do that, you can open up VSCode, and then you want to go to the extensions tab here on the left, and you want to search for Cline. Now, I'm sure there's many different ways, but Cline is one of them. So we can go to Cline, you can install it, and then when that's installed, you can just basically open it up here on the left hand side, click on the settings button top right, and then in here under your API configuration, you want to look for Z.AI, which is over here. And here, where it says your API key, make sure you paste in the API key we just copied, and then the model should be set to GLM 4.6. When you do this, just click on Done. And then, of course, when you have your billing set up, you'll be able to just use it down here. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.